outside of Saigon, and here with Cam Bun, who is going to show us one of her personal favorites. A lot of Vietnamese cuisine is about rolls, hand rolls. So this is an example of one, and it's called jicama rolls. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a sauce, right? So this is the important part. The sauce has to be very unique and very special. And after that, we'll make the salad rolls. To make the peanut sauce to accompany the jicama rolls, it has oil, garlic, chilies, lemongrass, coconut milk, a black bean sauce, and some roasted peanuts. It always starts with a hot pan. Lemongrass in. One of the things important to note is that when you're working with herbs and roots, you want the pan to be hot, but not extremely hot because it's going to burn it.
Dạ, tới nước cốt dừa.
Okay. So in the pan we have lemongrass, garlic, black bean sauce. Coconut milk is going in next. This is what gives it body and a little sweetness. Sau đó thì chị?
Đây, bây giờ mình sẽ tắt bếp.
Okay. Tại sao tắt bếp chị?
Đại nấu nữa thì cái nước cốt dừa này nó sẽ lên mùi, nó ra dầu, rồi nó sẽ không ngon.
She doesn't want the coconut milk to boil, and that's the important thing, because it becomes a cooked flavor, and she likes the very delicate flavor of coconut that hasn't been cooked at such a high heat. We're adding peanut butter in right now. So that's the interesting part, is not to overly cook the coconut milk. This is chopped fresh chilies, red.
Rồi, nếu mà chị làm loãng á, thì mình chấm nó không có thấm, nó khác với lại chả giò.
So she likes it a little bit thicker than maybe what the eyes want to see, but she says it's really important that it is kind of thick. So when you dip it, the jicama rolls in it later, that you'll have the sauce on the rolls. So it's topped with fried shallots and some roasted peanuts, and a little dab of freshly chopped chili. So we have the sauce, and that's ready to go. And the next thing is we're going to start to make the jicama rolls. So the main ingredients in this dish is tofu, but it's going to be layered with fresh herbs, sautéed jicama and carrots, which we have already done. This is salted radishes, and it's been sautéed with annatto seed oil. So it gives it a nice color. It kind of looks a little bit like shrimp. So we're going to start the rolling process right now. And the rice paper has been put into some damp cloths here, so that it will be a little bit wet and pliable, so that it's easier to work it. If the rice paper is too wet, it's also a problem. If it's too dried, of course, it's hard to roll, so you want it to be just right. And that's her technique here. Okay, chị.
Bây giờ mình sẽ cuốn đầu tiên nước này. Mình phải cho chị nói cái này xào một chút đó.
Yeah. So these are the sautéed jicama, and I'm going to help her by getting some of her herbs ready for her. And what kind of herbs to use? We're using today red perilla, and also basil, and a different kind of a mint here. This is kind of like a lemony kind of mint. So notice she's got a layer of tofu, and the tofu has been pan-seared. Again, you kind of need to prep tofu that way so you can work with it. So this is an 8-inch, which is a very popular size here of rice paper, easy to roll, and it's basically 2 bites. And whatever you want to show through the rice paper, you put that in towards the end, so it will be very transparent, and you can see it.
Mình cứ phải cho vào từ từ ha. Đấy.
Very lovely.
Ta sẽ thấy được cái. không có phải thấy cái lá đâu nha, mà cái bò bía là phải thấy cái con tôm.
So she's saying that you can do it several different ways, but she wants to do it showing the radishes, which is like the shrimp, the secret ingredient in the dish. Again, sauteed jicama on the bottom. And it does matter, what goes down first. If tofu goes down first, it can tear because it's got some sharp edges. It can tear the rice paper. She basically put the jicama, which are kind of soft and really pliable, right, as the one on the bottom. Tofu on top. She's got red perilla right now. And this time around, she's putting the salted radishes kind of in a more concentrated area, so it'll really show through. And you'll see that right now. Cái này thì có nhiều màu hơn, phải không cô? Okay, there you go. Okay, good. So those are the rolls. Just gonna garnish the plate. Just gonna line up with some leaves here. So here's the final dish. She's saying this is a very important dish in terms of street food because it's something that you can walk along and go shopping, and it's all eaten out of hand. But this is the final dish. Rather easy to make. Just needs a little bit of practice when you roll them. But here's Cam Van's version of jicama rolls.